Hello guys, good day and welcome to another edition of our tutorial. So now today we are working on how to design a stunning logo mockup with your PIXELLAB mobile app. So now let's start a new design now. So now you have your background here already. Then move to the third icon here to import an image, a mockup background, and then use it for your background. Okay, now let me pick background to use now. Okay, so now then delete the new text that you have on the screen. So now you have a plain mockup background I want to use for your logo mockup now. So now let's start by adding a text. So now try to use a capital form. Okay, you have this pixel graphics. Then try to change the font. And then change the color. Now let's use this. Okay, so we have this here now, and then add some new text again. And then try to reduce the size. And then use your align to align it. Either you want to place it like this, or to the left, or to the right. So depending on the position you want to place it. So now we are using this, and then change the font. And then the next thing is for you to change the color. Okay, we have this here now, and then add a phone number. Okay, I have a phone number here. Then change the font. And the color as well. So now you can see that you have something like that's not well. Okay, so next thing is for you to add your tools from your gallery. Then click on the import to import the tools that we are using from your gallery. So now I have it here already. Then try to reduce the size and then place it here. And then you still need to add the text. P. And then first increase the size and then change the font. then try to place it at the middle of your stuff here. Okay, and then we still need the other logos, which are the social media logo. And the next one, okay, let me add the Twitter handle. Okay, we have this, and try to change the font, and then change the color. Then reduce the size, then use your position to move it downward to fit to where you need it. Okay, you can see now that you have something like a rough sketch. So what we have here now is what they call 2D. So what we have here now is in 2D format. So now we are moving towards how to convert it into a 3D format now. So now let's start from what we have first at the top here. Then move downward in your PIXELLAB, and then you can see click on 3D shape and then enable it, and then use your Y rotate to rotate. You can see that you can rotate it to any angle of your choice. You can use the S rotate to rotate it up and down, and then the Z rotate up and down as well. So now I'm only using the Y rotate. Now we have this, we have something like this. So you can see that we have something like this here now, and then try to change the color. Okay, you can see now I've changed the color for the back, and then add shadow to it. Then try to move it out a little bit, and then the y-axis to a little bit. Okay, you can see that we have turned this to 3D, and then the text inside it, turn it to 3D also. Click on 3D text, enable it, and then change the color for the depth, and then rotate it in the y-axis. Okay, and then use your position to move it to where it's supposed to be, which is the middle of the text. It seems like the 3D is too much, the direction movement is like as if it's too much. Okay, then add your shadow. Then mark it down. Okay, we did a mistake, and we are choosing the color for the inner part. Okay, we are using this. Okay, you have this, and then the same thing applicable to the next one. Turn it to 3D shape, and then rotate it in the y-axis, and then use your shadow to give it a shadow. Okay, you have this, and then use your position, general position, to move it down a little bit. You have this, and then do the same thing for others as well, and then apply the same procedure for others. By choosing this, and then increase the Y rotate, then mark it down, then add your shadow, enable the shadow, and then increase the offset, and then the same thing for this. I've turned this to 3D already, and then try to move it a little bit closer to what you have already, and then turn the Twitter logo into a 3D format by enable it, and then pick the background, the depth color, and then increase the Y rotate, and then use your position to move it to where it's supposed to be. I see that the size is somehow too big than what you need. Okay, then use your position to move it down to where you really need it. So now you can see now that we have, okay, this one here that you will use the white color, we need to change the color to this. So now this logo mockup. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that for our next video you will be receiving a notification message once we drop the next video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.